Right. We should be careful. My father's a drunk, but he's not stupid. And he's mean as a cut snake when money's involved.
Quiet as church mice, then. Lead on.
Granddad taught me to shoot out here. He had a pair of gold pistols he loved even more than me. There's a hut near the beach where Granddad used to hide things. I want to check there first. I spent a lot of time in that hut as a kid.
I had a place like it on my father's farm. I'd hide there to escape my chores.
It wasn't that. My father would lock me in it when he was drinking. Once I was stuck there for days. He forgot about me.
Jesus.
Let's dance. I'll search the hut. I know Granddad's hiding spots. You should check the manor. The will could be somewhere in his office. We need to find it before my father does. I'll meet you back there.
That were a foolish thing you've done.
Lucy's father and this barrister rewrote the grandfather's will. He gave himself everything. Shit. The father and this barrister changed the will and murdered Lucy's grandfather. Lucy will kill him before we find the gold. That's not good.
You remember this place, Papa? I remember every fucking inch.
I remember your mother letting you out. She was always too soft on you.
Shut up! I know you killed Granddad, and then stitched me up for it.
You know nothing, girl.
But you're only his son-in-law, aren't you? You won't get anything in the will.
Is that what you think, you little harpy? I get all of it. The will's changed, and he can't change it back now, can he?
It was you! Admit it! You killed him! Say it! Say it!
Who do you think you are?
I'm the one with the gun, Papa. Captain Kenway, I don't believe you've met my father.
You've avenged your grandfather at the least.
But no gold. There was nothing in the hut but his pistols.
And nothing at the manor either. I only found a fake will drafted by your father's barrister.
That slimy coward. He's fled with the gold for certain. We find him, we find it. I'll put word out. If he so much as raises his head anywhere civilized, I'll hear of it.
That was tough back there. Are you all right?
I'm an orphan now. I'm better.
Crowd in on, all of it! Loose topsails, gallants and royals! We're catching the wind now! We are losing the wind, Captain! They're Jack Spanish! Looks like a frigate!
Captain, I have a proposition. What do you say to some shore time on that island you're so proud of?
You jest, but you're becoming fond of the place.
In truth, it does leave an aftertaste. I'd assumed that was rum.
You'll be calling it home soon enough.
Shanty! Give everything she's got!
Give me another one, lads.
Down west old ship that ever did sail, sailed on a errand on a windy day, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. We was built in Roman time, never to get a witness to try, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Nothing in the galley, nothing in the hole, skipper's turned in with a bag of gold, and we're waiting for day, waiting for day, waiting for day that we get our pay. Oh, for Nestle, praying and leak.
have to do better than that. We've got them! Get to the commander!
All together now!
Are you the warden of this hovel?
I am the man who will kill you.
It seems I'll enjoy my work double this day.
I lost hope of ever seeing the sun again, or the sea, or even the light beyond these walls.
Me too, mate. I can keep the heat off, for a fee. Lovely. I'll make sure they forget you, friend.
Give me more sail! More sail! We need to budge!
Loose tops and royals!
Give us a shanty! Give everything she's got! Set her back! Fast as you dare! Ease her off! Gallants! Royals! Furl!
Four! Haul up all but names! Drop anchor!
Enough! Thanks!
Captain's got in his drink!
Another bottle with a letter inside.